Wait, are we going to build the puzzle again?
Yep.
Why are you putting all the pieces away?
So I can carry them in this box.
Let's build it on this table.
Okay.
Okay.
That's okay, but let's build it with this squirrel build.
Okay, you want to... Okay, the squirrel's already built. So now what do we do?
Now we build Hello Kitty.
You want to find all the Hello Kitty pieces? How do you know which pieces are Hello Kitty?
When I equalize, so I can find.
What does Hello Kitty look like?
She has wheels on her bicycle,
That's true.
and we have to find her wheel, or she can't be able to race to the finish line.
She's in a race?
Yeah, she's in a race.
Oh my goodness, we better hurry.
Okay, let's better find them.
What else? What does Hello Kitty look like?
I found her bow ties.
Her bow ties.
Yeah, her bow ties.
Okay, you build the bow tie and I will look for her nose. And her whiskers.
Okay, Hello Kitty, yo. You're gonna be built in no time.